Hey art friends, today we're going to draw My Melody ice skating. I hope you're really excited to follow along with me. For this lesson, we're using our markers to draw and color with, also our pencil and eraser to draw the main shapes of her head. But you can always use whatever you have. All right, let's get started. First, we're using our pencil to draw the shape of My Melody's head. We're going to draw a big oval shape right in the middle of our paper. And, well, I'm going to draw it really big. And don't worry about making this line look perfect or smooth. It's okay if it's sketchy and a little bumpy. Mine's bumpy. Then we're gonna draw the shape of, this is her head. Then we're gonna draw her face sticking out of her little winter hat. So it's another oval, but towards the bottom. And I'm gonna make it smaller, just a little smaller. So you can pause the video and work on this step. Get it just the way you want it before we move on to the next. Any extra lines you have, you can switch to your eraser and erase those so you don't get confused later on. That's all we're using our pencil for. We're gonna put that off to the side and switch to our marker. If you want, you can keep using a pencil. You don't have to switch. Okay, now we're gonna add all of the fun things that makes this My Melody. So first, let's start with her face. We're gonna draw her nose. We'll draw it in the middle of this oval, but towards the bottom, about here and this size. It's small. And then we're gonna draw her mouth underneath, really happy. And then we can draw her eyes. When we were drawing Hello Kitty, I mentioned that her eyes always seem to be the same size as her nose, but My Melody, I think her nose is smaller than her eyes. And we're gonna draw another eye over here, the same size as this one. Then we can color in those ovals solid. Now let's draw her earmuffs. And we're gonna draw an oval shape here first. We'll draw it this size, and I don't know why they're down here because her ears are up here, but these are, we're gonna draw the same size oval here, but we'll draw it 3D, so we wanna draw it behind her head, but the same height as this one. And then we can draw a little extra oval on top. And then we can draw the headband, but before we draw that, let's draw her ear. So we're gonna trace over the pencil and add another line above that for the headband, but let's draw her ear, and we'll draw the letter U sideways or diagonal. So we'll start here and let's draw a big letter U. And then we can draw the headband. And we're gonna draw it going behind this ear. It's folded in front of it. So first, let's trace over the pencil line and connect to the side. And we'll do the same over here. And actually, we could keep going. We'll stop there, but we'll continue it later. Then let's draw the top of the headband. Let's draw another curve that matches right next to it. And then over here, we'll continue this one down to match. Yeah. Okay, now let's finish the rest of her ear. This one will curve over and down. Okay, and then the other ear is sticking up diagonal. We'll go up here and curve around and then back in. This one, maybe this side could have gone up a little higher, but that's okay. Just remember, we're having fun and practicing. Okay, next, let's trace over the rest of the pencil lines. I'm gonna turn my paper sideways. Sometimes that helps. We can trace over the pencil and drag it towards us to keep it smooth. And then on this side, I think I'll do it like this. We're gonna trace over the pencil going around. I'm gonna turn my paper a little more. Sometimes that helps. Keep it smooth. And then into the bottom. We did it. There's My Melody. She looks really cute, except we need to draw her body next. Let's draw her scarf around her neck first. We could draw a little curve right here. And then let's draw her arms. We can draw a puffy coat. We're gonna draw two curves like this, or two bumps, and two bumps coming out this way. Then we can draw them curving down for her wrist, and then back in to her body. And then same thing over here, we'll draw it curving down, back into her body, but let's add an extra bump because she's turned a little to the side so we can see this one more, just like we can see the earmuff a little more than this one. Okay, now for the rest of her body, we'll draw 3 bumps. 1, 2, 3. Then we can draw them coming underneath for her waist. And then right here, we're gonna curve up and into her armpit. Oh, and let's draw 3 little pom-pom buttons down her chest. Next, let's draw her gloves. We can draw her mittens right here. Kind of drew that big, and then her thumb. And then we'll do the same thing on this side. I think the next time I'll draw these smaller. Okay, next, let's draw the rest of her scarf. Let's draw the pom-pom first. I'm gonna draw a little bumpy circle, and then we'll draw the curves going into her neck. Okay, now for her legs, her feet, and also her ice skates. Let's start with a line straight down the middle. Then we're gonna draw a short one over here, and then we'll curve around for her first ice skate. And then let's also draw the other leg and foot more diagonal. So we could draw a diagonal here. Then we're gonna try to make the same shape. So we'll curve around. And then right here, we can go back into her coat. Next, let's draw her ice skates. We can draw a straight line first. We'll draw here, down, and then a straight line forward. And then let's try to draw that same size for the other ice skate. And then right at the end, we're gonna curve up in a point and then curve down. Curve up, down to match. And then let's connect the ice skate to her boots with 2 lines on the front and also the back. And then matching on this foot. And we did it! We finished drawing My Melody ice skating, except we still need to color it. This part will fast forward, but at the end you can pause the video and match my same coloring, or you can color it any way you want. Also, before you color, switch to your pencil or the eraser and erase any of the pencil lines you can still see. And we did it, we finished coloring My Melody. She looks so much better all colored in. I also added little polka dots with my white Posca marker and a little heart on her earmuffs. You can add even more things to your drawing. You could add a full background, which would be really cool. Draw the entire skating rink, or maybe she's out on a pond with trees in the background. And I always hope that you have a lot of fun following along with me. Remember, it's okay if your drawings look different than mine. I'm sure they turned out awesome. The most important thing is to have fun and practice. And we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.